Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make sure if your iPhone battery has been boosted or not. So the first step is to open your browser and search for Power Util. Then simply click on the first link and tap on Add to Shortcuts. Now after we do that, we're gonna have to simply add this to our shortcuts. Then simply go to your settings and then scroll down to privacy and security. Then we're gonna have to scroll down again and tap on analytics and improvements, and then tap on analytics data. Now here you're gonna be able to see your battery analytics, but you're gonna have to make sure to enable share iPhone analytics and wait at least 24 hours. Now I'm gonna show you some screenshots because I actually didn't enable this for the last 24 hours, but you're gonna see something similar to this. So you're gonna have to check one of these, the most recent one, and then after that you're gonna have to click on the share button in the top right corner. Then select Power Util, and then you'll be able to see your Power Util analytics. Now this is your current battery capacity, and this is calculated by Power Util. So that means that your battery has been boosted if this is less than this one. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.